Starting in iOS 26.1, anyone can play ambient music directly from Control Center for moments when you need help being productive, relaxing, or even falling asleep. Start by opening Control Center and tapping the Add button in the top left corner. Then tap Add a control at the bottom of the screen and scroll down to the ambient music section. Here you'll find 4 options: sleep for when it's time to wind down, chill for relaxation, productivity for focusing on tasks, and well-being for medication and self-care. Let's add chill to Control Center. Start by tapping the chill control. To view the current playlist or switch to a different one, tap chill again and tap the playlist name to select your favorite. We'll stick with the laid back lo-fi. Now you can tap anywhere outside the ambient music menu to save your playlist, and tap an empty space in the Control Center to save your new ambient music edition, and that's it. Now all you have to do is tap the ambient music control to hear the playlist you selected on iPhone or iPad.